Let's see, the gold has created a bullish breakout yesterday at about 3357.05, reaching again the next resistance level 3392.89. A strong bullish candle has formed yesterday, where the price did not stop in between these support and the resistance levels, which means a strong bullish momentum has entered into the market, which I have mentioned in the previous week analysis, that there are more buyers than the sellers, and we can see the price was reaching higher lows, which was also mentioned also an opportunity for the buyers to make a bullish breakout. A strong bullish candle, we can see, has also made a bullish breakout above this area of resistance 3392.89, which means also another bullish breakout indicating further rise in value, but we'll see how this looks on the lower time frames. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see yesterday the price formed at 3357.05, a bullish breakout here, continued to rise in value, and we can see the price has stopped for a while and then continued to rise in value. The price stopped at just at the resistance level, which is a daily resistance level, trying to make a bullish break at above. We can see that on the 4-hour time frame it has managed to go above, but we can see the price has dropped down. The price currently formed on the 4-hour time frame a bearish breakout candle, but also a bearish engulfing candle, suggesting further decline in value. This is something that I have shared just a few minutes ago inside the premium analysis with the trades, which I am expecting that the price will drop down in value, reaching the next support level, which is around 3379.03. Now this is the daily resistance. It's very important to know that, because when the price reaches the resistance level, it usually retraces back down. Is this 4-hour time frame a bearish engulfing candle and also bearish breakout candle indication of that retrace on the daily resistance level? We will see that following on the 1-hour time frame and also 4-hour time frame how the candles reacts. Now on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the price has reached the area of resistance, which is a daily resistance, but the price has reached also a 1-hour time frame resistance level 3399.13. The price could not manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. We can see that this was the first time, this was the second time, and for several hours the price could not manage to make a bullish breakout. This was an attempt to make that, but we can see the price has suddenly dropped down, making a bearish engulfing candle, engulfing the previous two candles here, which was indication of the further decline in value. So similar scenario we have currently on the 4-hour time frame, where the price was trying to move higher, but then the price significantly dropped down. We can see that here, significantly dropped down, engulfing previous two candles. So if we based what we can see currently on the 1-hour time frame, when the breakout candle is also a breaking bearish or engulfing candle, it has moved down to the first support level. We can see that it was a daily support level, and eventually the price has managed to make a bearish breakout going further down. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we have a bearish engulfing candle, which is indicating that the price could go further down, reaching the first support level. So it is around this area here, 3379. So this is for the 4-hour time frame, which is indication of the potential move down. Now we will see what happens. Currently we can see that the price formed a bearish breakout below this area of support, which is a daily 3392.89, and the price has reached the first support level below that. It is 1-hour time frame support, 1-hour time frame support level, which is 3385.31, and the price bouncing back up. The price has returned to the previous support, now acting as a resistance, daily resistance level. Now I'm expecting that the price will drop down, reaching the next support level will be 3379.03 on the 4-hour time frame. But before that happens, we can see that the price needs to make a bearish breakout below this area of support, which is a 1-hour time frame, a support level. What will happen around this area of resistance, which is a daily resistance? Well, this is something that we need to watch and wait until the price makes a move. But currently what I can see on the 1-hour time frame, we have a bearish breakout below this area of support on the daily resistance level. It is also 1-hour time frame support level. And then we have 4-hour time frame making a bearish breakout below this area of support, targeting the next support. On the daily time frame, we have a bullish breakout. We can see that here, where it is also potential a retrace from this area of resistance. Will this area of resistance be so strong that the price will go down to the first support level? And the first support level, we can see that on the daily time frame, is around this area here to here. So from the area 3372 up to 3379. Now on the 4-hour time frame we have 3379 as a 4-hour time frame support level, and 3372 is here, around this area here, where these wicks of these candles are. Now if we go to the 1-hour time frame, we will see that 3372 is much precisely 3371.21. This is the next support level where the price could drop down. If we zoom out a little bit, we will see that 3371 was a small resistance on the 1-hour time frame. We can see that here. The price could not manage to go up for several times, but have in mind that this is a resistance level that was resisting the price from reaching higher price levels. It is not so strong support, at least we cannot see that. Now if we go in the past and zoom out a little bit more, we will see if there is a strong support around 3371. Now 3371 is here. When the price is dropping from the area of resistance, this is the daily resistance level, the price was reaching this area of support, which is a 4-hour time frame support, which I have just mentioned that the bearish engulfing candle is suggesting to reach this one. But 3371, we can see that here, when the price was reaching that, the price did not stop so strongly, which means this area 3371 was not so strong support. So there is a potential that the price goes even further down to 3365, reaching this area of support and then bouncing back up. So let's see how the price behaves. These are the levels that I'm expecting today, and we'll pay attention closely. Feel free to check the link below in the description. It is for the premium analysis. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.